Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is a really quick impromptu video. I got a item from Fashion File and I am shaking it all over here. So I had a coupon, can't remember. Fashion File's been doing a lot of coupons lately. The confetti's flying. And I decided to pick this up really quickly. It's probably a waste of money, but come along with me on this journey. So I wanted to get an Hermes band because I really like the look of it. This has a bunch of lettering on the inside. So there's the, let's see if that even will show up. I'll do some close-ups of it in a minute, but Hermes Paris, made in France. Hermes Paris bracelet, made in France is what it says on this part of it. And then it came with designed by Apple in California and Hermes in Paris. A little booklet. Tells you how to attach it, which I have dozens of bands, so I don't really need that instruction, but do appreciate their thought process with it. So let's see how this looks. Right now I have one of the stretchy bands on mine, and I just kind of wanted something that was a little bit more professional for when I have meetings or want a more dressy day. So that just slides in on that side. So there we go. I'm a little concerned with being, of a certain size if it would fit, but it looks like, no, it's going to be, I can probably get it to the point where the person that had it, I could use their same hole. No, I need to go a little bit larger, but I should just cut off this Fashion File. I've had it's actually been on my shelf for several weeks now, and I just haven't got around to unboxing it. So it's something that I would want to only wear during, I'm going to go ahead and tear off this authentication. So I can get it on. Because I like the ease of these stretchy bands for when I need to throw on my watch every day. This would just be when I have a more dressy type of look for the watch, because it's not going on very easily. That's why I'm thinking this person literally wore this once, because it's not going in the hole easy at all. It's like the arm isn't long enough to get into the leather. Yeah, that's kind of disappointing. The latch is not, does not work well. So, I mean, I'd wear it. It's not going to fall off. It's pretty secure, but I'm disappointed with the way the bar barely wants to attach. So that's disappointing. I'm sitting here fussing with it, and so I'm going to say right now, I would not ever spend the money on the full kit, Hermes kit. It's not worth it, just because of the way it's so fussy getting in there. Yeah, it's pretty and everything, but this was not worth it, being so troublesome. And maybe that's the problem. I was going up around this part. It just needs to go through the lower part. That's odd to me. Let me try this again. So you would think you would go through this part right here and then come in. You don't. It won't latch that way. So that's really disappointing. It's almost like, why did you bother with that component if it's not going to go through there? It's just decorative. So, it's fine. I can't say I'm in love with it. So I definitely am glad I only spent like $200 on an after kit version of it. I definitely wouldn't spend, what are they? I think they're $1,200-ish, I think, for the full kit. So I don't think it's worth $1,200 to get special Hermes faces. Yeah, it's pretty and it's a nice leather, but it's not worth the additional $600, whatever, for an Hermes version. I would just buy the strap secondhand like I did. So worth it for the price I paid. I paid $250, I believe it was, on sale for this with the box and everything. So this is worth it from Fashion File for sure. And it is pretty, but yeah, again, it's not worth the full kit from Apple directly. If you are interested in luxury content or other things that I buy secondhand, and most of my items I do purchase from places like Fashion File or Rebag or the like, consider subscribing. I'm looking into having more commentary style content, so I'm doing some research right now to see if I can have a few more just sit down and give you my opinion, like this being a waste of money. maybe I'll do a standalone video about why you shouldn't waste your money on certain products. I will have a video coming up here about the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I did one last year about how it isn't necessarily the best use of your funds per se, and there's strategies and ways to shop that. So yeah, if you want to learn more, please consider subscribing. So see you later.